Most people freeze before even approaching someone. They think, what if they insult me, call me ugly, or say, why are you talking to me, right in front of everyone? Sound familiar? Good, because in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to crush that fear and turn you into an absolute monster in communication. First biggest problem, that fear of insult stopping you before you even start. But here's the logical truth. Most people aren't waiting to attack you. They're busy with their own insecurities, just like you. 99% of the time, when you approach someone politely, they respond normally or even nicely. It's your brain playing tricks, replaying worst-case scenarios from past experiences or movies. You're stronger than that fear. Remember, every confident person started by pushing through it. You miss 100% of the chances you don't take, so go for it. Your value isn't in what one rude person says, it's in who you are. But let's say the rare insult does happen. Don't take it seriously. Why? Insults say more about them than you. They're projecting their own pain or bad day. Brush it off like dust. It's not your problem. Instead, pause, look them in the eye, and give a slow, half smile. Say nothing for 2 to 3 seconds. That calm silence makes you look unbreakable, flips the power, and they back off. Face it once, and you'll feel invincible next time. Second biggest problem, not knowing how to start conversations. Why does this happen? Your mind overthinks. What if it's awkward? What if they think I'm weird? Or past rejections make you hesitate, so you stay silent and miss connections. Everyone relates. It's that inner voice holding you back from jobs, friends, or dates. Here's the practical fix to start with anyone, anywhere. Use one safe, curious opener that makes them feel good and opens them up. Say, I noticed something positive about them or the situation. What's the story behind that? For example, at a party, I noticed you're rocking that shirt. What's the story behind it? At work, I noticed you nailed that presentation. How'd you prep for it? It's genuine, compliments them subtly, and shifts focus to them. They feel safe, interested, and start sharing. Practice on one person today. No pressure, just try. You'll see them light up and want to talk more. Master these and boom, you're the monster, confident and connecting effortlessly.